Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a creative pro, remote worker, or just a hardcore multitasker with a cable jungle under your desk, you'll want to hear this. Today we're diving into Anker's most powerful docking station ever, the Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 docking station. It's got 14 ports of future-ready high-speed desktop dominating tech, and yes, it supports 8K displays, 140-watt charging, and ridiculous data speeds. So let's get into it. So in full transparency, I was sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video. In today's work from anywhere lifestyle, laptops are lean, but they're also port starved. If you're constantly swapping cables, juggling accessories, or managing dual displays, you need a docking solution that's built for serious workflows. And that's where the Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 dock comes in. It's not just a dock, it's your new command center. This beast packs 14 ports, including one Thunderbolt 5 upstream port with 140-watt max charging, 2 Thunderbolt 5 downstream ports, 2 USB-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, full-size HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 2.1, an SD and TF card readers, 2.5 gigabytes per second Ethernet, audio jack, and dedicated AC power input. Okay, so let's take a closer look at what this can actually offer. So on the front we do have the USB, the USB-Cs. Now these are going to be perfect for plugging in accessories or charging. Now these do operate at 10 gigabytes per second. So you know, having this set up like this, it's a clean front. So this is going to be stuff like maybe you want to connect your phone to charge, a mouse, a keyboard, anything that you want to connect but you want accessible at the front. It's going to be that quick, easy couple of options there without, you know, overloading any type of cables or stuff like that. On the side here we do have our SD card and our TFF cards. Again, perfect placement. This is what you want to access. You can just access that stuff here. Now the stuff on the back is going to be your more permanent fixtures. So again, you do have your HDMI and your DisplayPort options here, your Ethernet if you want to connect to the internet. You do have 2 more USBs, and then you have Thunderports, and then this one here is going to connect to your actual laptop itself and the power port. So this is going to be that more permanent stuff back here. It's going to stay nice, clean. You got lots of options here. You're not going to run out of space. I mean, look at that. You got that right next to the laptop. It's so clean, it's so aesthetically nice, and it's so powerful at the same time. You can literally run your entire desk setup, laptop, monitors, SSD, camera gear, internet, audio off of this one hub. And the active cooling system keeps things running cool even when every port is maxed out. So let's talk speed. The Thunderbolt 5 is the next evolution. Up to 80 gigs per second bandwidth, and data transfers are just ridiculous. So I did move over 100 gigabytes of files and folders in real time. You can see how fast it actually performed. And honestly, it's been an absolute game changer for me as a video editor. And for display lovers, this dock supports dual 8K at 60Hz output on Thunderbolt 5 Windows laptops and single 8K from HDMI or DisplayPort. It's crystal clear, low latency, and perfect for content creators or financial analysts with tons of windows open. How about the charging? This dock is not shy. The 140-watt Thunderbolt 5 upstream port means your high-end laptop charges fast. Even under full load, it supports PD 3.1. You gain intelligent, optimized power delivery. Need to top off your phone or earbuds? The front-facing USB-C ports share 45 watt, which is plenty for mobile devices, even when everything else is running. This is the dock for anyone serious about workflow, speed, and convenience. It's not just about adding ports, it's about removing friction. So, is that Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 docking station worth it? If you want future-proof tech, insane power, and one cable simplicity, absolutely yes. This is Anker at its finest. If you are interested in the Anker Prime Hub, we are going to be leaving a link down below. You can head there for more information or buy one for yourself. Do go ahead and smash that like button if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments what your dream desk setup looks like. Don't forget to subscribe for more great gear reviews like this one, and I will see you in the next one.